In 5 minutes, a clever fridge audit can save you hundreds a semester by cutting waste and sharpening your meal plan. Start by labeling leftovers, removing expired items, and grouping veggies to spot quick meals at a glance. Next, pivot to a weekly mini plan using what you already have, plus one affordable staple, reducing last-minute buys. Track spoilage with a simple note on a whiteboard, letting you buy fewer groceries and cook smarter. Finish by rotating your stock, so nothing spoils and your money lasts through finals week.